An undercover operation, Agent 064 needs to make an extraordinary cup of coffee. To make a cup of perfect coffee, grinding is one of the most crucial steps in the process. The brand new TIMEMORE Sculptor 064. The modern design and integrated metal structure provides style and functionality. Just have a try. Turbo burrs cut beans consistently in 3 layers and reduce fines caused by squeezing coffee beans. After grinding and sieving, Dr. G records the different particle sizes to assess grinding quality. Sculptor 064 grinds coffee beans consistently to reduce unpleasant flavors and increase the cleanness. $900, $1,000, $1,200. The multiple speed settings give you different options for grinding styles to discover your preferences. We chose the top-of-the-line sensory brushless motor with PID controller and Hall components only used in high-end equipment. The stable motor is more steady and comes with a longer service life. It's always difficult to clean fines easily, but now we have a solution. To clean the fines, we designed a patented rotary knocker. Most fines will be easily shaken off efficiently by turning the knocker. Can the Sculptor series also be used for espresso? Sculptor series have 4 models. 064S and 078S are compatible for both pour-over and espresso, while 064 and 078 specialize in pour-over with better consistency. To grind for espresso and pour-over, we created patented flat burrs for 064s and 078s.